You know.
Don't get too excited yet. That's what you're going to say.
Not yet.
Yeah.
March, sometimes it can be tough. Hey, you know, growing up in New England, real ice cream. I didn't like soft serve. Frozen pudding. Frozen pudding ice cream. Have you ever heard of that? Take a look out in East Greenbush. Adirondack Orthodontics looking over the skyline of Albany. Just a few thin, wispy clouds. Not bad today, not bad tomorrow. Big changes coming in on Wednesday. Let's head out to meteorologist Jordan Dew at the Mobile Storm Tracker. Jordan, we got a lot of weather to deal with over the next 2 or 3 days. Some of it could cause problems.
Yeah, Cap, exactly. I mean, especially because we've had such a long winter and it's been so cold, and we've had so much snow as well. And now we're going to be seeing milder temperatures, but some rain along with it, and that'll cause just a couple of problems. So let's take a look as to how much rain we're expected to get. This is what we call our Futurecast rainfall graphic. And you can see we're going to be starting to get into the meat of our rain early on Wednesday, and that'll last likely until Thursday morning. So you can see a lot of places are going to be accumulating anywhere from about a ½ inch, maybe even to 2 inches in some places. Now, we are concerned about this because it is going to be widespread rain that could be heavy at times, maybe it could even be producing some rumbles of thunder. And there could also be localized flooding and ice jams occurring locally in Albany. So this is not necessarily a widespread concern, but as this incoming rain will seep into that snow is going to get heavier and have greater liquid ratio. So that's going to provide a greater impact the next time that we see another stretch of mild and wet weather a little bit later. So that could cause rivers to rise and also some ice breakup as well. And that almost creates sort of a natural jam that causes ice jams and, of course, flooding possible where there are rivers and streams, especially in those flood-prone areas. So this is something that we're going to be keeping an eye on as the week continues and as the spring season also continues. But for now, Cap, we'll send it back inside to you in the studio.
All right, Jordan, thank you. Yeah, this year the flood potential is quite a bit higher than past winters because of so much ice and snow. 30 in Colony, Cohoes, East Greenbush, 27 Medusa, Catskill 34, 30 at Kent, 26 in Pittsfield. You head up to Williamstown, it's 27. Adirondacks, 21 at Inlet. Many of these places 10, 20 below this morning. 25 at Indian Lake, Scroon 24, Granville 29, 28 Broad Albin to 23 at Manchester. Chilly day, but better. Man, those winds were wild this weekend. Again, so many windy days. Now, we have a band of clouds coming down from the northwest. I think it's bumping into this dry air. So with the exception of the Adirondacks maybe getting a few flurries, that would be about it. The big weather story is the storm coming out of Colorado that's going to rapidly intensify. It's going to get bigger and stronger and take a track up into the Great Lakes. So that's going to suck up a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and some warmer air. So that's the problem. Combination of rain, warmer temperatures, and snow melt. So that's why we got to watch the rivers and streams. Here's your Futurecast tonight. Some high clouds increasing. Tomorrow will end up being a partly to mostly cloudy day. Not to say there won't be a little bit of sunshine. And then for Wednesday, here comes that surge of rain and warmer air. So we're going to have periodic rain. Later in the afternoon, there could be some thunder and strong winds. In fact, with this system, strong south winds may get channeled right up the Hudson Valley. So late Wednesday afternoon, this is 5 p.m., our computer models say the winds could be gusting up to 48 miles per hour in Albany. In fact, most areas could have wind gusts 40 to 50. High temps tomorrow, well, this is better. Mid-40s Albany, 42 Manchester, Johnstown, 49 at Hudson. And for Wednesday, 53, could be warmer depending on the timing of the rain. 54 Hudson, 52 North Adams, Bennington, 48 at Johnstown. Our forecast for tonight, increasing clouds, still chilly, not as cold, 18, and for tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, a high near 45. On Wednesday, periods of rain, windy, 53. Windy on Thursday, could be a couple of rain showers, maybe mixed later in the afternoon, 48. Windy, colder on Friday, some flurries to the west, 38. Chilly weekend, 36 dry Saturday, mostly cloudy, 30 Sunday, watching a storm to the south, and Monday partly sunny, a high of 37. Casey?